Hey, good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel Tadadada Art Club and 100 Days of Sketching Challenge. Yes, and today is my 30th day of this challenge. So, on this 30th day, I choose to a topic to do the sketching on the furniture. So, what furniture I choose and how we can do that, we can see in some time. Hey, welcome back. And this is Vijay here. I do share drawing and sketching tips on this channel regularly. So yes, this is the 30th day of my challenge, and the today topic has been changed. So is the furniture is the topic what we choose to for today. And yes, the furniture is the important part. Yes, how to draw that furniture with the perspective, how to understand their molds, and about the understand the structure. That is what we're going to learn with the sketching, today's sketching. So guys, let's see what there, like every day, like wherever you are making any scene, it's like maybe a indoor or the outdoor, some or other way, that the furniture is the one of the part which is there, and you should be able to draw that with right perspective. So that's why I specifically first will do the individual furnitures. So if you understood the structure and the basic formation, then definitely you will be able to use that in the bigger scenes or anywhere you want to use. So let's see. So let's go to the board and see what it is references we have and how we can do that. How we can do the sketching. Yes, so you can see here that is the very simple chair I took. I know it's look like a simple, but yes, indeed that you have to find out the eye level, you have to find out the right perspective. So if you follow all those things, then it will look a perfect chair the way it is. Though it looking very simple, but yeah, there is some dimensions, some curves and cuts are there, which is very important to follow to get the right and final output. And as always I said that like each and every object or things has some or other shape, the basic shape. So we should be able to find out those basic shapes. Now I can see in this chair there is a cuboid. The overall the thing is based on the cuboid. So if you draw the cuboid in the right perspective first, then you will be able to follow all the other stuffs, other details as per that. So first thing is the find out the eye level. Yes, you can see the chair's arms. So it's a little top portion you can see of that chair's arms. And as I always explain is that if this is your eye level, and whatever the things come below the eye level, so you'll be able to see the shape something like this. If you are more close to the eye level, so you can see the more less shape, and if you go down as or little away from the eye level, so obviously you can see the more shape or the more top portion of the object. So the similar, that is the key point, or that is the important thing. You can easily make out that the chairs, handle chairs, you can see this much portion means the eye level is somewhere above the chair arms. So that way you should find out where the eye level, and that is the a method to find out the eye level. So yes, so what we can do is just we simply will continue with this same. The eye level is, if I draw on, this is the eye level. And now I can see that if I see the back side of that chair, so the upper height is a less and down it is more. So this is what the proportions I can see. As I said that it is the eye level start above, little above the uh, chair arms. So you can consider that the chair arms started somewhere here. So the top portion is this much and the bottom portion can be this much approximately. Yes, and after that is the so this is what we drawn is the exactly the left side line of the height chair, and after that with the consideration we are making, this is the corner because this is in a 2-point perspective chair is, and then this portion is quite less I can say, and comparatively this is quite big. So we can do that here somewhere. Yes, now this is the basic dimension what we took, and I can see this is the arm, chair arm what I said, this is the point. So from there I can just simply draw the line. So that is what the perspective or the vanishing point, one of the vanishing what we got here. And if we decided I guess we have to take little change in that, it will be not here, just the angle should be little change. Yes, so this eye level may be little shift up as per the angle. We have to again and again cross check and get the right thing. So here also I'm just making as per the page the little less the height, and yeah, the second one also the vanishing point is somewhere outside of the page. And as per that, this is the cuboid what I'm talking about. The overall basic form of the chair is the cuboid is there. And yes, you can just reduce the height little bit. So let's see what. And after that is the inside structure, that is also that much important. So this way we just made the cuboid. I know you must be a little confused why we are making cuboid, but yes, this is the perspective overall the chair has. And if you follow that perspective properly, then it will be a perfect chair, what I can say. So yes, now we'll consider, as I said, that this is what the line we are following for the arms. So I'll make this line little darker. Then there is another line on this here, and as per the perspective, this will be something like this. And yes, it's coming out again. As per the perspective, will extend these lines. So you can see that this is the corner of the leg what it is there, but it is not straight. It as a diagonally crossed. So that what we have to consider and draw. Now whatever the point I got here, that I have to connect to this vanishing point, other vanishing point, and again the similar way it is. Plus now the thickness, you can see that the thickness is little broader upper side and the little narrow toward the down, so that we have to follow properly. So I made little I guess thick the chair arms, but okay, not a problem. And again the back side of this thing, it is not the, I can show you here the chair, the sideways, the chair, generally is like this, but this chair is something like this. This is the resting area is little cross, and again these legs are cross, and this, so in the side way you can see this is the structure. So both the things are like this. The legs are cross, not the straight, and this resting area also not straight, it is a little bent toward the back. So very little thing is there. So yes, here what we can say that portion is, so as per the perspective, I'm just making these lines. So I'm getting the base of that. So in that also you can see the, here is the thickness more and here is a less. So if you can extend little out and you can draw, so this is the portion, you can see it. Now similar way I can see from this angle, this is the corner what we have, and you drawn this line. So in the same angle legs, so we can see it. And as per the perspective, this will be inside structure, and the same thing will go to the vanishing point. Yes, so this way the arm, I guess this portion bit shorten up, but yes, no problem, we'll understand the structure basically, and how I'm following the lines, that is what we see here. So now as I see that from here the back chair, as I said, it is going little back or tilted little back, and this is also on these lines, I can say this way. Similar on this portion also you can see the perspective lines. this is what we can extend upper side and give the thickness. Chair similarly in this direction. Again in this direction. Now the backside leg, actually we should see it, but I guess we missed the angle. Yeah, there is a lot of mistakes I think I did today to understand exactly this level and all. I guess this has to be more up because I can see this legs. Yeah. Okay, sorry for that, but let's see that I'll just follow simply the structure, what perspective wise you should draw the chair. I'm extremely sorry for this. Similar way, this is the thickness you can see here. Okay, so now here is the height of the sitting area, which is something like this. And as per perspective, it is going that side and little outside of the chair. And here it is a little bulge on that. This is also a little curvature. And this is the pillow what is kept there. It also has this dimension. And in that dimension it is, these are the points, corners. You can see it. So yes, there is quite lots lines are there, and because of that there is a confusion, but yeah, I'll just erase some of the lines and we'll finalize. Yes, guys, now I'm just observing those things, so I understood my mistake where it is actually went wrong. It's about it's went wrong on these arms. Actually, these arms sideways, if you see here, it's not straight, it is a little cross. So the eye level of my object should be not here, but it should be somewhere here down. And that is what the mistake happened because of this shape and all those things. So this area is not seen that much in real picture. No problem, I'll just quickly make the another sketch for you on the next page. First we'll finish this. Yes, that was the pillow. Yes, so this way this the chair what you can see. But let's do the actual how it should be. So it should be, this is the sitting area, and from here these are the legs are. And here you can see the so this way is the leg is, and as per this perspective you can see literally the backside leg up here now. And yes, these are the perspective lines you can see here. And as I said that this is not straight, but it is little cross upside. So you can reduce this also a little bit. Thickness, and yes, as per the perspective. And then there is a pillow on this. Plus there is a small part here in the back side. Yes, that is what the actual chair. Yes, guys. So that was the actual chair. The in the just I missed the exact eye level, and because of that, the entire chairs. Definitely after that, the little more observation I come to know where exactly I did the mistakes, and in the second sketch I just shown you that how to follow that things. So guys, that was the first that the sketch for today. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please press the like button as well as the share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe my channel and press notification bell icon so you will get the all updates about upcoming videos and the events. So keep in touch, and we'll see you tomorrow with the more furnitures and more stuffs. So till the time, just keep practicing, keep sketching, and keep smiling.